Hi friends, I'm Sachin. First and foremost, I hope you and your families are safe and well. The last few weeks have been unprecedented for all of us, to say the least. Now that everyone is doing their best to stick to social distancing. Another important aspect is often forgotten, that is adequate exercise. Adequate exercise improves your body immune system and thus protects you better against COVID-19. But now the gyms are closed and outdoor sports in groups are no longer possible. Many people must switch gears now. Okay, then if you ask me how do you get enough exercise? My answer will be surprisingly simple, that is, go cycling. I say this because the World Health Organization, that is WHO, have emphasizes that cycling and walking are useful for both social distancing and meeting the minimum requirement for physical exercise. For all of us, it is known fact that cycling helps for the better blood circulation, and it is one of the best way to strengthen the immune system. As we battle the coronavirus and maintain social distancing, many believe that cycling really works. Cycling protects us against COVID-19 in many ways. Now I'm going to tell you some of those points for all of us to stay well and safe in this kind of pandemic situation and always. Cycling strengthens our immune system. Cycling has a positive effect on health of almost all people group. During cycling, our airways are well ventilated and the blood supply is better. According to some medical practitioners, the deeper breathing helps to clean the lungs better. This is optimal when it comes to virus protection. Moreover, we inhale more oxygen in the outdoors, and that's healthy for our memory, skin and lungs. Our body also builds more vitamin D, which contributes to our body's immune system. It improves our mental health and sleep. Besides, cycling reduces blood pressure and it is good for diabetes as well. You can make cycling as a part of daily exercise because the bicycle is always a good means of transportation, even more so during the period of COVID-19. And also now that the gyms are closed and many people work from home, so it is difficult to get your daily dose of exercise. Hence, the cycling comes handy in such a situation and it's the best way of exercise too. Cycling is an alternative to public transportation. Cycling not only keeps us at a distance from others but also reduces the risk of contamination by touching of surfaces. Now, you just think of traveling on a public transportation. The virus can survive on surface for longer period than in the air and can still be contagious. Cycling makes you happier. I'm telling this because now with many people stressed out from everything that this virus pandemic entails. Relaxation is very important. Perhaps the last tip is therefore the most important and fun. By cycling outdoors, you allow your body and your mind to be relaxed. And the best part is this, that the happiness hormone, endorphin, are released during the cycling. You will be happier when cycling. So, go grab the bike and make a nice trip every day. At the end, everyone might have the same question that the government is insisting us to be safe at home. And is it safe to venture out for a daily cycling? I do say that venturing outside is no problem at all, provided you follow the guidelines that have been drawn up by the government and WHO. And I would like to share a fact that the COVID-19 pandemic has resulted in unprecedented bicycle sales in India, as more and more people try to avoid public transportation for fear of contacting the virus. I hope this video is useful for you in this situation. If it is so, don't forget to like, share and comment. And also shower your love by subscribing to my channel My Art Box.